So we'll start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, aim the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, take the legs nice and wide, bring the right arm up, inhale, exhale over to the left, come back to center, inhale, exhale over, come in center, inhale and exhale, and come back to center, swap the arms, inhale, exhale over, coming back to center, inhale and exhale, and coming back, one more inhale and exhale over, and come back to center. We'll add a forward bend, your hands on the hips, we'll inhale, exhale coming forwards, body parallel to the ground, and coming back up, inhale, exhale forwards. We're trying to keep the back straight. And coming back up. One more inhale and exhale. So head in line with the spine. Coming back to center. Now if you want to, add the back bend. Inhale, exhale looking up to the sky. Inhale, exhale coming forwards. And carefully back to the center. Again, inhale, exhale, look up, inhale there, exhale forwards, and coming back up, last one, inhale, exhale, looking up, inhale there, exhale forwards, either staying halfway or bring the hands down towards the feet, wherever you get to, and then carefully rolling back up. So balance pose. We're doing dancer's pose. So standing on the left leg, we'll take hold of the right foot with the right hand. We'll inhale, exhale, lifting the leg just a little way to start with. We'll do 3 on each side. We're coming down and we'll swap over. We're standing on the right. Take hold of that left foot. So get the balance first. Then inhale. Exhale, lifting the leg. You're trying to get the foot away from the bottom. Preferably not in gale force winds. And again. Inhale. Exhale forwards. Maybe a little higher. Depends how windy it is for you. And turn around. Taking hold of the foot. Getting steady. Inhale. And exhale, lift. And coming down. Then we'll try one more each side. So really dig in with that standing foot. We'll inhale, exhale, lift, coming into your dancer's pose, and coming down, last one. We get steady standing, inhaling, and exhale. And carrying down. Alright, so back to that wide stance. I'm going to turn that right foot 90 degrees, back foot slightly angled, good bend in that front knee. You're coming up into warrior 2, so arms shoulder level, and just looking along the front arm. bring the arms down, turn the feet around. That left foot's 90, that left knee tracking in the same direction as the toes. Relax the shoulders. Imagine lengthening the arms. And we'll do one more each side. We turn the feet around. So maybe have the feet a little wider if you want to work a little harder. The main thing is to keep breathing. If you're holding on to the breath, you are trying too hard. And coming out, so last one. So set ourselves up. When we're ready, bring the arms up and turning the head. And bring the arms down, and we will finish with the good posture and the breathing. We take the shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. So if you feel comfortable, just close the eyes for a few breaths. And just notice if the breathing slows down. And keeping the hands where they are, just open the eyes. Notice your surroundings. And then we'll bring the arms down. And we are all done.